Hello, in this video I will explain you the functionality or the features of our Power BI connector with Microsoft Fabric services. So by going in Power BI connector and configuration, what you need to do is you need to create one account like for your configuration, and after creating the account we have provided one authentication tab. There you need to add the tenant ID and the client ID and the client secret, that is the credentials. After adding those credentials, you need to click on generate token, and you need to test the connection. Like before this, you will be able to see the test connection button. Once you will test the connection, and your the status of this configuration will be changed to connected. As soon as the configuration is connected, you will be able to see two new buttons, that is fetch workspaces and fetch pipelines. So now if I go to my Power BI online, so here in workspaces, I will be able to see that I have various workspaces in my Power BI online. And now if I go to my Odoo database and click on fetch workspaces, so here you will be able to see the notification like these number of workspaces have been fetched successfully. So we have provided a separate menu for the workspace. Like here you will be able to see all of the workspaces in the Kanban view and in the list view. Then if you open any specific workspace, that is for example the Odoo workspace, so inside the form view of the workspace you will be able to see various buttons for event house, data sets, reports and dashboards. As you can see in your Power BI online, if you open this Odoo workspace, so here you will be able to see you have various semantic models, that is the data sets, you have different event house, you have different databases, then different reports in this specific workspace. So all of these are data you will be able to fetch over there in Odoo with the help of these buttons. So I will just show you like how this functionally works. Clicking on this event house, fetch data sets, then fetch reports and fetch dashboards, you will be able to see the number of the records fetched from Power BI online to Odoo. Then after refreshing the page, here in the smart button you will be able to see the number as well. Like this Odoo workspace has 10 event house in it. It has 9 data sets and it has 9 reports. So for the event house, if you click on the event house smart button, and you can see the new button over here. So what you can do is these 10 event house are already there in your Power BI online, but apart from this, if you want to create a new event house from Odoo and you want the same event house to be created over there in your Power BI online as well, so you can do the same using this new button. So I will create one new Power BI event house from Odoo. So I just need to give the name and then click on the button create in Power BI. After it has created the event house, you can go to your Power BI online, refresh the page, and here you can search for the same event house. So here you will be able to see the event house that I created in my Odoo database has been created over here in your Power BI online as well. So this was regarding creating the event house from Odoo. Then if you go to reports, so here you will be able to see all of the reports of this specific Odoo workspace, of this single workspace. And if I click on any one report, so here we have provided two buttons, that is view embedded. Clicking on this button will show you the report, the same report which is visible over there in your Power BI online and the Power BI desktop, that which you have fetched over there from Odoo to Power BI. The same will be visible over here. And if you click on this button, open in Power BI, so the same report will be opened in the Power BI online. Like you will be redirected from Odoo to your Power BI online. So inside, by going in this workspace, you can see the individual event house, database, reports and datasets of this specific workspace using the smart buttons provided over there. But here if you see the Power BI reports, under that the reports menu we have provided. So the use of this menu is like here you will be able to see all of the reports of any of the workspace all together. Like currently I have just imported only the Odoo workspace reports, but if I have any other workspace report as well, so all of the reports will be seen under this menu. Then the next thing is related to dashboards. So here the Odoo dashboard will be visible, whichever dashboard you have in your Power BI online. If you click on view embedded, so you will be able to see the dashboard similar to the report, and you will be able to see the same in your Power BI online as well. This is the smart button named tiles, which will give you the information related to your Odoo dashboard, like the dashboard which is present in your Power BI online. So this was related to the menu for workspace and Power BI reports. Now if you go to data pipelines, so here by going in workspace and deployment pipelines, so here you will be able to see you have one Odoo pipeline in your Power BI online, which has three different stages. So we have that functionality to fetch that pipeline over here in Odoo. For that you need to go to configuration, open the configuration and click on the button fetch pipelines, which will help you out to fetch the pipeline present in your Power BI online. And the same you will be able to see under data pipelines menu. If you open this, then you will be able to see the stages that are present in this pipeline. By going in the stages smart button, the three stages which are present will be seen in the list view. Now if I open any one specific stage, then we have provided three buttons, that is deploy to next stage, assign workspace and unassign workspace. So currently you can see in this Odoo pipeline, in all the stages we have three different workspaces assigned. But if you click on unassign workspace button, so the workspace from this stage will be unassigned. Like if you refresh your Power BI online, so here you will be able to see the workspace which was present, it's not now visible. Now again if you go and change the workspace, that is to development workspace, and click on assign workspace, so again the workspace will be assigned to this stage successfully. By going back to your Power BI online and refreshing it, you can see the workspace has been assigned again. Now these two buttons are used to assign and unassign the workspaces, and the deploy to next stage button is for, like currently if your pipeline is in development stage and if you click on deploy to next stage, so you will get one notification like your pipeline, like your pipeline stage has been deployed from development to the test stage, that is the next stage after the development stage. So if I go and check in my Power BI online, so you will be able to see like from this development stage it was being deployed to the test stage, and here also the date and the time will be visible and it will be updated accordingly. So this was regarding the pipeline stages. If you have the Power BI Pro license, then you will be able to test these functionalities of workspaces and events, datasets, reports and dashboards. Also, if you have the Power BI premium license, then you will be able to see the functionality related to this pipeline deployment as well. The last menu regarding the data processing logs, so here you will be able to see all of the logs like whatever you have fetched or whatever you are whatever actions you are performing, that will be visible under this data processing logs. So this was related to our Power BI connector functionality for Microsoft Fabric services. Thank you.